If I'm still just like a virgin, Ricky, then why don't you come over here and do something about it? I haven't kissed a girl in a few years. On TV. Okay. Moving right along. I grew up watching movies, like most people in this room, but the movies that allowed my imagination to run wild, that made me believe that I could dream and think outside the box, were foreign films made by the likes of Fellini, Visconti, Truffaut, Godard, René, just to name a few. So, there's nothing foreign to me about a foreign film.
If you were the Mona Lisa, you'd be hanging in the Louvre. Everyone would come to see you. You'd be impossible to move. It seems to me that's what you are, a rare and priceless work of art. You stay behind your velvet robe, but I will not renounce all hope. And I'm right by your side, like a thief in the night. I stand in front of the masterpiece, and I can't tell you why it hurts so much to be in love with a masterpiece. 'Cause after all, nothing's indestructible. From the moment I first saw you, all the darkness turned to white. An impressionistic painting, tiny particles of light. It seems to me that's what you like. The look, but please don't touch me. Time is indestructible.